Hi friends, welcome to Bright Future. Today's topic is lateral view of skeletal system. Let's start. Guys, the lateral view of skeletal system is this, and this is the frontal bone. This arrow is frontal bone and this is the parietal bone. And this is the temporal bone, and this is the sphenoid. This is the mandible, and this is the zygomatic bone, and this is the maxilla, and this small part is called hyoid. And this is the nasal bone, and this is the occipital bone, and this is atlas C1, and this is called axis C2, and this is the third cervical vertebra, and this is the lacrimal bone. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe this channel Bright Future. Thank you.